We will be talking about pointers. Okay, it's an introduction. Pointer variables, basically they store addresses, they don't store values. Okay, let's take a simple example. In the past we talked about int x equal to 100. That means x is a variable of type int and it stores 100. So this is a value, right? But we are going to talk about pointer variables. Pointer variables are declared like this. So this means a int pointer type. Okay, int pointer type. If you just say int, it is an integer pointer, right? Integer type, right? So this is a pointer type, and let's say float FLT. I'm sorry, star. It's a float pointer type, right? This is a new type of variable. If you go back to the PowerPoint, I have shown you different types of pointer variables. These are just types. Okay, to declare a variable, we show it here. For instance, say I pointer. So here this is a type. I'm sorry, again, this is a type, this is a variable. So I pointer is a pointer variable. Okay, and what does it mean? What do they do is the next question. Okay, here like we showed in here, they store addresses, they do not store values. Okay, let's take a simple example here. Let's pretend we have integer x equal to 100. So x is a variable, it has an address. Let's pretend the address is 4400. This is the address, the value is 100. So this is x, right? We know that. So this is the address, remember that. This is a value, this is a variable. Pointer also is as a memory location. Let's pretend the memory location is somewhere here, and this has address, let's say 4000. So this is a I pointer, integer pointer. Okay, so two variables, one stores value, the other one stores the address. So how do we store the address in here? And if you go back to the PowerPoint, the definition here I said A pointer stores only the address of another variable. See that? It stores the address of another variable. So if I want to store the address of x in here, I do iPointer equal to, I take the address of x. How do we do the address of x? We do ampersand x. When I do that, I copy the address of x, which is 4400, into iPointer. So my value here would be 4400. All right. In a way, we say iPointer is pointing to x. Okay. And this is wrong. iPointer equal to x is wrong. Why? When you say that, we are taking the value of x, which is 100, and putting it in iPointer, you cannot do that, because that is just a value, and this only takes addresses. Okay, takes the addresses. So this is wrong, and this is perfectly correct, because ampersand x is the address, and it can only store the addresses. So I will erase this for now. I have shown a simple program for you. X equal to 100. I am printing the address of x here. So if you want to print the address, you use %p as in Peter. Okay. And I've declared a pointer, integer pointer. Okay. And I am storing the address of x into the pointer, and I'm printing what is stored in the pointer. Okay, I'm printing the addresses. So this should be the address of x, right? Because that's what I did. So to print the address, you say %p. So I'm going to compile this and run this. You see that the address of x is this. When we store this address in pointer, when we print it, is the same value, right? Which is what we did here. We are printing the address of x, which is 4400. I printed the value, it's the same. All right. Now, in the same program, what I'm going to do is, I am going to declare y, and let this address be 4410. So integer y equal to 200. So it will be 200. Okay. Now my next statement here, when I say iPointer equal to address of y, when I say this, what really happened is, I'll erase it for you here. It removes, basically it's now pointing to this guy, right? And the address of y, which is 4410, will be stored here. All right, you can see the program right now. I'll open it. Y equal to 200, address of y, oh sorry, let that be here, pointer change to y, the address, I'm printing the again. Okay, and we need to get the address of y. And we are not interested in this for now. If I compile it, run it, it will print the value of y. See that? This is the address of y, and we are storing it in the pointer. So that is how the pointers, they point to different addresses, okay, depending upon where they point to. See that? Okay, thank you.